Hey guys, it's my cat's second time outside, and look at him. So happy. He just loves it. But lately, he has been coming to me with some stuff. So, he loves it. And you don't want to make a video about him. Well, as you can see, he loves nature, like he's right there. Loves it. And what you guys might want to see how he's doing. He's gone down the slide a few times. Yeah. Guys, can you see me? Okay, give me a second. Hey, buddy, you wanna go down the slide? We're gonna bring him down the slide. Why don't you hit that subscribe button while we're looking? Hop up. Hop up. Thanks. But we are okay. Sorry about that, guys. Now buddy, hold out, buddy. Buddy, you can't come in. He's in our abandoned place. Buddy, hold out. Go down the side. Go down the side. Down the side. Just go down the side for a second. I need you guys. He went down. Sorry about that, guys. He went down. Go down. Adios, amigos. It's very, very hard for me to catch a cat. Sorry guys, not very happy at the moment. Hey buddy, come on. He likes me, but he's just playful and everything. But I'm gonna have to end it here because he's very not happy and all that. So I'm gonna have to go. Bye. Hope you enjoyed.